Portraits and illustration. Hello, it's been a while. Normally, you're just seeing my hands. Um, so I just wanted to take this time to kind of explain what we're doing here for the next week or so. So the 9 weeks ends on, I think it's November 5th. I probably should have looked into that. It's a Thursday, I think. So that gives us about like a week and a half, give or take. This week, we're not going to do anything new. What I want to do is I want to give you guys all time to get caught up on everything. So this week is catch up week. So if you have done everything and you've turned everything in, you're sitting pretty. You're good. You can have a breather right now. But there's a lot of people that need to turn in a lot of things. So I really want you to use this week, get everything turned in, try to get it into me here. I mean, definitely try to get it in before the end of the 9 weeks. But if you can use this week to get all that stuff done and get it turned in, that would be wonderful. Um, so there's not going to be any new assignments this week. Just get caught up. You know, just get all of your things turned in and yeah, I don't know. That's about it. So I think what'll happen probably is next week I'll introduce like a big project. So it won't count towards this 9 weeks. So everything that is up on Canvas now, that is what you are going to be graded on for this 9 weeks. So that's it. Our next project is going to be a big project that's going to go over the span of a few weeks. So it's not going to count towards the first 9 weeks. That'll go into the second 9 weeks. So make sure that you get everything done, all those projects done for this 9 weeks up to this point, because that's what you're going to get graded on, nothing else. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can always go to the help section in Canvas, and my contact info is there. And I think that's it. You know, there's no reason why you guys should have a bad grade in this class. As long as you do the work, you're getting a good grade. So just get that stuff done and get it turned in. Like I said, there's a few of you guys, and I'll be reaching out over the span of the week, over the course of the week. I will definitely be reaching out to people who owe me things. So I'll let you know. Um, and yeah, I think that's it. So again, if you have any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, get all that stuff turned in, get your work done, get a good grade, and that's about it. So, all right. Thanks, guys. That's all I have. Adios.